In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp. This is a simple but powerful design trick that makes your emails look more professional and helps your key messages stand out right on top of your photos. We're going to use the built-in photo editor in Mailchimp. This method is great because it actually bakes the text directly into the image file. That means your text will look the same in almost every email client, whether your subscribers open it on desktop, mobile, or a web browser. You don't have to worry about weird formatting issues or fonts not loading properly. First, start by adding your image to the email layout. In the Mailchimp editor, look for the image block in the content panel. Click and drag that image block into your layout where you want the picture to appear. Once it's placed, upload the photo you want to use. You can either drag a file from your computer or use the upload button to select an image from your device or your existing Mailchimp content library. Give it a second to upload, and you'll see the image appear in your email. Next, you'll open the photo editor. Click directly on the image in your layout to bring up the settings in the side panel. In that panel, look for the Edit button. When you click Edit, Mailchimp will open the photo editor, which lets you modify the image before it's inserted into your email. Now it's time to add text. Inside the photo editor, look for the text icon, usually represented by the letter T. Click that icon to add a text box on top of your image. You'll see some default text appear, usually something generic. Double-click that default text to start typing your own message. This is where you can put a headline, a short call to action, or any key phrase you want your readers to notice immediately. Take a moment to think about contrast and readability here. If your image is dark, use a lighter text color. If it's light, go for a darker color so your text stands out clearly. Use the settings in the editor to change the font, color, size, alignment, and position of your text. Drag the text box around until it sits in a clean, uncluttered area of the image. You can also adjust the size of the text box so your lines break in a way that looks intentional and balanced. Once you're happy with how everything looks, head to the top right corner of the photo editor and click Save. Mailchimp will apply those changes and update the image in your email layout. Your text is now permanently part of that image, ensuring it displays consistently for your entire audience.